The most promising ultra-luxury residential project is taking shape right here at Raidurgam, Gachibowli. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. I'm Abhinav from Raghava, a brand synonymous with world-class projects, top-notch quality and trust. I'm excited about the pace at which the construction is happening, and I take immense pleasure in updating you about the construction progress as on 7th August 2024. The project comprises of 3 towers, and each tower has 4 level basements. In Tower 1, basement level 4, basement level 3, level 2 and level 1 are 100% completed. Above ground floor, 11 meters stilt 1 level works are 100% completed. The first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor and fifth floor works are 100% completed. The sixth floor works are in progress. In Tower 2, basement level 4, level 3, level 2 and basement level 1 are 100% completed. Above ground floor, 11 meters stilt 1 level works are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 11th floor are 100% completed. The 12th floor works are in progress. In Tower 3, the basement level 4, basement level 3, level 2 and level 1 are 100% completed. Above ground floor, 5 meters stilt 1 level works are 100% completed. 5.5 meters stilt 2 level works are 100% completed. First floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor works are 100% completed. Fifth floor and sixth floor works are in progress. Our endeavor is to ensure absolute transparency in delivering unparalleled quality at every stage of construction and to provide you regular monthly insights of IRIS project progress.